In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your click-through rate on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting your eBay journey, understanding the click-through rate, or CTR, is crucial for gauging how appealing your listings are to potential buyers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access these insights and what steps you can take to optimize your listings for better performance. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Performance section on eBay, and then navigate to the Traffic tab. This section is your gateway to understanding how people are interacting with your listings. It contains all the data you need to evaluate how effectively your listings are drawing in potential buyers. You'll find Performance in the main menu of your eBay Seller Hub, so it's easy to access. Once you're in the Traffic area, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll want to select the specific listing you're interested in analyzing. This is where you can drill down into the metrics for each individual product you have listed. By selecting a listing, you'll be able to see detailed data on how it's performing, including views and impressions, which are essential for calculating your click-through rate. Take a moment here to compare several listings if you'd like to get a broader understanding of what's working well and what might need some improvement. Once you've selected a listing, it's time to take a close look at the CTR percentage. This number reflects the ratio of clicks your listing receives compared to the number of times it's shown to potential buyers. Essentially, it's a measure of effectiveness. The higher the percentage, the more appealing your product is in attracting buyers to click through. Keep in mind that while the CTR itself doesn't directly translate to sales, it's an important step in the consumer's journey as it indicates interest. To improve your click-through rate, focus on enhancing the visual and descriptive elements of your listings. Good quality photos and compelling titles can significantly increase the attractiveness of your listing. For photos, ensure they are high resolution and showcase the product clearly from multiple angles. As for titles, make them descriptive and include keywords that potential buyers might be searching for. It's about creating a blend of accuracy and allure. Your aim is to entice users with precise information while compelling them to learn more about what you're offering. And there you have it. You're now equipped to not only check your click-through rate on eBay, but also take proactive steps to improve it. By continuously monitoring these metrics and making adjustments based on what you discover, you'll be well positioned to optimize your listings for greater success. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Keep optimizing, keep selling, and see you next time.